In this video, I'll show you how to automatically remove silences in Premiere Pro. So to get started, go ahead and open your Adobe Premiere Pro application. But if you don't have that, you can go ahead and opt for Adobe Podcasts. On Adobe Podcasts, go ahead and click on this Choose Files button. That will redirect you into your local drive. Now go ahead and click on the audio to where you want to remove the silences from. And once your audio is uploaded into Adobe Podcasts, you'll need to wait for a few minutes for this to be edited by Adobe Podcasts. So Adobe Podcasts is a tool that you can use to remove background noise along with unnecessary silences on your audio. Once you upload your audio into this website, the tool will automatically adjust how the audio would sound and remove all of the unnecessary background noises along with the silences. And once the revised version of the audio is available, you can go ahead and listen to that to check and download that into your device. That's basically how you can do that. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.